Good morning. Michael Mazarang here again, and today I'd like to talk a little bit about foundation drainage challenges on basements and crawl spaces. If you currently own a home in Charlotte, North Carolina or the surrounding counties, there's a chance that your house is built on a basement or a crawl space. We've been getting a lot of rain lately. I'm getting more calls all the time about water intrusion into the crawl space or basement, or just flat out severe moisture challenges. The best thing to do is just not to panic. Today I'd like to talk about a few symptoms that you might be seeing and a potential remedy to solve that challenge without spending a lot of money. If you're getting water in the crawl space, the best thing to do is to look and see where is the water coming in at. Check your downspouts. A lot of times downspouts get clogged. If you have a wooded lot, you should be cleaning your downspouts at least 3 to 4 times a year. And if you have those underground piping systems, they get clogged within a few months after deployment, especially if you've got that old flex pipe. Usually, if you disconnect that old piping system and extend it with just a basic 5-foot gutter extension, you can remedy a lot of these foundation drainage problems into the crawl space. Same thing with the basement. Work the problem backwards. Foundation drainage is a big problem in this part of the country. With expansive clay and soil, it's hard to get water to drain properly away from the structure. Again, keep your gutters clean. Keep your downspouts extended. And if you've got an underground piping system that needs to be replaced, replace that with PVC or Schedule 40 instead of the old traditional flex pipe. Also, you can do drainage improvements such as drainage swales. One of my favorite things to do is to put a 12-inch by 12-inch catch basin system to an underground piping system to divert that water around the structure, especially if you've got a sloping lot that's below the street level. The main thing is, again, not to panic. A lot of times companies will recommend doing expensive waterproofing protocols when just a basic drainage improvement protocol is the proper thing to do. If you have any questions about this or need some ideas about solving your crawl space or basement drainage problem, I'd like a phone call from you. I'm an independent foundation repair and waterproofing specialist here in Charlotte. I'm not affiliated directly with any companies, and I do my inspections independently. My name's Michael Mazarang. My phone number is 704-787-6972, or you can send me a message through my website at specialtyfoundationrepair.com. I look forward to talking to you about foundation drainage improvements, and I appreciate you watching this video today, and I look forward to sharing my 25 years experience with you. Hope you have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon. Thank you very much.